The next individual to involved in this flow is Daniel, in the dough preparation area. Whenever he's finished with some prior work, he will go to the tray of the printer and he will pick up the next production order for the pizza that needs to be produced. First, he will pick 1 kilogram flour from the stock. His job is to prepare the dough. So he will go to the flour stock area, pick up some flour, and then he will add some water to the flour. And he will start kneading it for around 20 minutes to get the dough stretchy and elastic. When he is done with that, he will cover the dough and let it rest for a while, for around 10 minutes in the rest stock area. Then he will go into the system or on his tablet or any other devices and he will register his time. In this case it will be 30 minutes, which he spends for the dough preparation. So if you imagine now that it is Daniel who is working, he will go to the production journal screen. In fact, the most of the companies that use the solution, the workers will not have full access to the system. It means Daniel would only be able to see his workstation or only the lines which supposed to be linked to his workstation or his username, because he should not register the time for other workers. Many companies are generally using barcode solutions, and through the barcode scanner, the time registration for each worker will be done just in front of the workstation. So in our scenario, we will see everything's, and we try to register the time for each workers one by one through the same production journal. Let's see now how Daniel does this in the system.
My name is Daniel, and I will show you in this video how I register my work in the system. Let's check it out together. So first I will go to the release production order and select the next one I am working on, in my case the pizza margherita. And from my production order, and will enter the production journal which underline function. The production journal is used to post item, material consumption, and for working time, and also for output of the finishing good. First I will ignore all the lines which doesn't concern my workstation. And can enter my setup time and run time for the production order line, as well as my output quantity. So for my operation that I've used for the dough preparation, I need to specify which work center or which step on the route I am working on, and I will put the setup time, the run time and the output quantity for this preparation. In this case, it is the dough preparation station. Then I will look at my clock, and I conclude that I spend around 30 minutes working on the dough preparation. I will also indicate that I used for the dough preparation 1 kilogram of flour, and I'm done with this operation. After that, I will go to the process and post the lines. And this will post my journal lines with the time in here. And we click yes. So that conclude what I have to do.
But just if you are curious, I'd like to show you how this posting impacts different area of the system. So if we go back to the released production order, you will be able to see some changes there. So we open the production order and we go to the navigate tab. And then we click the entries tab here. And in the item ledger entries, which is the positive and negative adjustment of your inventory, it's for keeping track of the quantities in your stock. If you are going here, you will see one line. And this is for the flour. And it is a negative consumption of the flour. And the reason is that Business Central is set up in such a way that as soon as Daniel posts the production journal with the consumption line, then it is instantly consumes what it is supposed to consume based of the bill of materials. So we already now have a negative adjustment or some consumption for dough preparation that Daniel has used. And we can also see that we have in capacities ledger entries, which represent the time that has been spent to producing the pizza. We can see that Daniel has spent 30 minutes. And there is also some cost associated. I am going to get back to cost later in one of the future videos. So that concludes what Daniel has to do in this case.